Welcome to Getting Started with Libraesva. This video is all about our mobile application, available on iOS and Android. You can find it by searching Libraesva ESG on either the Play or App Store. Once downloaded and installed, you need your login credentials. Usually this is your email, but this can change. You'll also need your Libraesva ESG URL. This will be provided to you by your administrator. Once logged in, you'll be given a quick statistics page showing you what categorization the machine has done for you today. You also have access to your whitelists and blacklists. These are personal to you, so you can block and allow email permanently through these lists. On the end, you have your profile settings, where you can log in as a second account if needed and view your aliases. The main feature of this application comes from the Messages section. Here you can filter email on date and its categorizations such as spam, high spam, virus, clean, and quicksand. When you find an email, you can click on it and view the body. You can also respond and forward the message. If it's quarantined, you can release it to your inbox. If it looks suspicious or you think Libraesva have missed the mark, you can select Submit as Bad. This will send the email to the Libraesva Threat Intelligence team, where they will take a personal look at the email and correct any mistakes that the Libraesva machine has made. Lastly, you can select the top left plus sign to compose a new email. The mobile application is to be used at any point, at any time, on the go, to manage your email and also access your spam. Thank you very much for watching this video. We have many other different ways to learn about Libraesva ESG, so please check them out. Thank you very much for watching.